She's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around.
Hey guys, Fernando from Montiel's Customs here. Today we're going to show you a couple cars that we got in this week that we're going to start doing some work on. Alright guys, let me show you guys what we just picked up. We just picked up this customer's 1969 Dodge Charger. Big block. So let me just show you guys a little bit. It's all pretty much stock there. Other custom things have been done to it, but we're going to do body and paint for this customer. So hopefully we can get it done before Christmas for them. So stay tuned on this one. Okay guys, so this is one of the other cars that we just got in. This is a Style Master. Customer wants us to do a complete body and paint, wants us to get everything sent out so they can rechrome it. So make sure you guys stay tuned on this one here. Now we also just picked up this 79 Mazda RX-7, and let me introduce you guys to my master electrician right here, Bubu Yaga.
How you doing, guys? Today we work on the spark plug and wires so we can start the engine running.
He's working on getting it running, doing all the spark plugs and wires on it. But let me just show you guys a little bit under the hood. So we picked this up in California. It's got a 12A rotary, but it's also got a supercharger. Pretty rare for these cars, but somebody put it in there, so we're gonna hopefully try to get it started. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Hopefully we can get it started and running by next week. All right guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe so that way we can keep you guys updated on all the stuff that's going on. Make sure you comment and like.
All right, at 3, 2, 1, action.
All right guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys fucking cuz move the fuck out of there, bro.
And 3, 2, 1, action.
Well, thanks for staying tuned in, guys. Make sure you guys so make sure you guys comment down below. Thanks.
What the heck was that?